Hi, welcome back to my channel, Mel Stampin Gallery. I'm Melanie and I have some beautiful new products to share with you today. I just got my latest box from Stampin' Up! And one of the things in the box was this beautiful collection of neutrals cardstock. Look at those beautiful, rich colors. These, believe it or not, are from the neutral collection. Let me show you where that is in the catalog. In the back of the catalog on page 138 are all the different color collections that you can get from Stampin' Up! And the one that I ordered here today is the Neutrals collection. And it included the colors Mossy Meadow, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Blackberry Bliss, Early Espresso, Pecan Pie, Crumb Cake, Gray Granite, Smoky Slate, and Basic Gray. I do have some of the colors still left over from when I was a demonstrator previously, but I did want to get some of the new colors as well. So a good thing to do is to get the assortment pack. So you get 2 sheets, and I ordered the 12 by 12 because I do scrapbooking. But you can get the 8.5 by 11 as well, but you get the 2 sheets of the 12 by 12 of all these beautiful colors. One of the other things that I purchased was this beautiful specialty paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see all the shimmer and shine on that paper? This paper is part of the Thoughtful Journey Suite collection, and you get 4 different colors in that specialty designer series paper. This Thoughtful Journey can be found on page 47 of the catalog. You can get the entire suite, of course, if you would like, or you can get the bundle of the stamp set and the thin cuts. When you bundle, they are normally 10% off, and right now, during the month of June, of course, you will get an additional 10% off when you purchase the bundle. But I was able to take advantage of some of these beautiful papers and the bundle collection then to get the Thoughtful Wishes stamp set, and then the die set that is part of the bundle as well. Now the stamp set is beautiful. It's got all those beautiful, it's got really nice sayings, the beautiful flowers, or like sprigs and leaves. And then the die set, of course, comes with not only the dies to match the stamped images, but also it has all these additional dies that you could use as well. And I thought these would be beautiful, not only for cards, but for scrap pages as well. Look at this one, how delicate and beautiful it is. And then of course it's got all these little extra leaves, and then the ones that coordinate with the stamp sets as well. So that was part of the bundle. And then part of the suite collection is these are the 6x6 paper pads, and I have not opened this up yet, but because I wanted to share that with you. But look at all, just flipping through that, when you get the 6x6 paper pad, look at how many different papers you get. And just flipping through there, look at the beautiful, beautiful colors. And I just love the watercolor wash of all these papers. So you've got the printed scenery, okay, on the one side, but then the back side are more neutral if you don't want to go with the look at that one. Okay, so that could be for anything you wanted. So they've got the 2 sides that are just gorgeous, that you can just cut these down and make a real simple card real quick. Or if you don't want to use the landscape pictures, images, look at how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You can use then the back side for your cards or even your scrapbook pages. I can definitely see using these on my scrapbook pages. In fact, I have a recent video that I did with some of my design team members, and I'll post that up here as a card that you can go check out on how to use 6x6 designer series papers on your layouts. But those are just absolutely gorgeous. And the coordinating colors are Blackberry Bliss, Boho Blue, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Pool Party, Pretty Peacock, and Wild Wheat. So it goes with quite a few colors. All right. So that's the 6x6 Designer Series paper, the stamp set and thin cuts, the Specialty Designer Series paper, and like I said, these are all part of the suite if you choose to go that way. They do have what Stampin' Up! Calls the Memories Plus collection, and these are their Memories and More card packs. If you're familiar with the idea of the pocket card scrapbooking, that's kind of what these are geared toward, but don't limit yourself to just the pocket cards or scrapbooking, because if you see on the one side we have Celebrate Today, so that could be a nice card because that measures 3 by 4, definitely good for a card front. And then the back side is just a neutral kind of a background that you could use again for your scrapbooking or those pocket page cards. Look how this would be wonderful for a scrapbook page. It would also be wonderful for a card. You can use this on your card front, stamp your sentiment here, maybe add one of the sprigs, die cut sprigs from the die set with that. So they do have all these different 4x4 cards, and you get 2 of each design. And then, like I said, they are double-sided. And again, it's got those beautiful watercolor images. Again, here's thanks so much. Use that for a card. And if you don't want the whole thing, you can totally just cut that part out. And then you could use this for a photo mat and cover the cutout area with a photo. So, but if you don't want to use that, you've got the back side. All right, so then here's that other one I showed you. Look at those beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, and the thistles. I love that scripty font on the back. It says, "Celebrate another year." Isn't that so pretty? And look at this. The sky is the limit. Wouldn't that be beautiful on a travel layout? Or how about for somebody for a graduation card? All right, and then the back, look at that beautiful color there. I think that might be Blackberry Bliss. How pretty is that? And again, we've got this where you can put your sentiment or a little title or a subtitle for a scrapbooking page or a pocket page. And then again, the back is that neutral design that you could use on your cards. And then these are all the 3x4s. Sending all my love. Again, nice for the card, and neutral on the back if you don't want to use it for a card. And then they've got the larger ones. I think, are these might be 4x6. All right, same thing. Happy birthday on the front, and on the back we've got the different neutral side. So you can definitely use that in a pocket page if you wanted to scrapbook that way with some birthday cards, or even on a birthday layout on a scrapbook page. And then the backs, making memories. Perfect for your scrapbook pages. All right, look, oh, the beautiful greens and yellows. Can you tell I'm really excited about this collection? Treasured memories, that will be perfect on a scrapbook page. And I love that there's 2, so I don't have to make a choice. All right, thinking of you today, that would be good on a card. And the polka dots on the back, and the beautiful script here, and the other neutral side on the back. All right, I'm so excited to be showing you this because I am going to be offering a workshop using this Thoughtful Journey Suite collection, and that will be coming, excuse me, on July 1st, or the beginning of July. So you will want to definitely stay tuned to my channel to be sure that you are notified when that is available. So I wanted to share this with you ahead of time because if you think you might be interested in what I create with this and purchasing my workshop guide come July 1st, I of course would love you to do that. But if you want to have the bundle, you want to take advantage of the bundle sale in order to create the workshop kit. So that would be the Stampin' Cut and Emboss die set and the Thoughtful Wishes stamp set, because right now they are offering their bundles their dies and stamp bundles at an additional 10% off. So you do want to make sure that you take advantage of that, so that come July 1st, when my workshop becomes available, you'll at least have this ready to go. And I will have, of course, all that linked down below in the description box so you can get a head start on purchasing the products. So be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified when the workshop guide becomes available, because I will have a post here on a video, I should say, and a post on my social media channels here on YouTube. So stay tuned for all of that. All right, until next time, bye-bye.